Hi everybody, it's Mari here. I have a stamp set that I want to share with you today from Not2Shabby shop. This is a stamp set that Jamie sent me to work with for the month of July. This is a waffle flower stamp set. It's called Therefore I Am, and it's just a really sweet set that has these bears, and the theme is sort of like baking. And the sentiments are, I bake, therefore I am, or I eat, therefore I am, made with love and thank you. And also down here, enjoy. This is really cute. Lots of little sweet stamps in here. There's, of course, this bigger bear image and this one down here. There's a little thought bubble that you can stamp some of the sentiments in. There's a couple of banners, a little whisk, a little recipe book, some hearts, and a little chef's hat here, a couple of little birds, and just really sweet. Really love this set. It's something a little different, and you could definitely, I think one way that I would think about using this for sure is if you're giving some baked goodies to someone, you could include a sweet little card. And for the card that I made today, that's definitely what I had in mind. And the sentiment on it says made with love. So what I did to make this card was I stamped out the bear, and I actually masked off this area down here and then stamped the banner as well as on this piece. And then I just fussy cut around the outside edge of that whole bit and pop that up on some foam adhesive onto a stitched rectangle. Now the stitched rectangle I actually cut twice. I cut it with some of the green paper from the Doodlebug 6x6 Hey Cupcake pattern paper pad. And I use this green here for the bottom part and then the pink polka dot for the top part. And I just wanted to make it look like there's something almost like a table or something in front of the bear. I don't know. It's just that I thought it kind of looked odd that the bear was sort of cut off like that. So I wanted the bottom paper to be a different color than the top. You can see here too what I did to, because when you stamp this whisk, you can see through it. And I wanted that pattern paper to be the same color behind the whisk. So I stamped that whisk on also onto this pattern paper and then just cut around it and stuck that piece on there. So yeah, so that's what I did to create this part. And then this part here with a cupcake pattern paper on it, that's also from this paper pad. I cut that out, I trimmed that out with a stamp die, like a die that looks like a postage stamp, and it's also stitched. And I then mounted that all onto a piece of pink cardstock from Gina K. And I've embellished it here down at the bottom with just some little flower die cuts from the die cut pack from the Hey Cupcake collection from Doodlebug as well. Did a little bit of embellishing with some Nouveau Glaze and some stickles. And I did Copic color my bear. So that was it for the card. This is just a cute little A2 size card. Definitely with this sort of like a baking theme with this waffle flower set. And once again, it's called Therefore I Am. I'm not sure if it is in stock in Jamie's shop right now. I didn't check when I was filming this, but if you hop over to the shop, I will leave a link to Jamie's shop in the description box below. So Not2Shabby shop always has lots of really great items in stock for stampers and card makers and crafters. There's lots of fun things over there, so make sure you check it out. Once again, I will leave the links to Jamie's shop in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And I will see you another time on my channel. Bye-bye.